Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to block ads on your phone, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for connections or more connections option. And here you have to look for private DNS. If you won't get this setting, you have to go to search. In search bar, I have to look for DNS. Just look for this setting and you will get the setting here. Just tap on it, and after that the setting will appear. Just select it, and here you have to select private DNS provider host name, and here you have to enter this code which I have entered, which is dns.adscard.com. You just have to enter this one and then tap on save, and after that you will not receive any pop-up ad on your phone. So that's how you can easily block ads on your Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.